There are different ways you can find out what methods work best for your body. The most popular way of today is a little internet search engine called Google. The problem with this is all Google does is put you in touch with information that you are searching for, which means whatever idea or bias you have in your mind, that's going to be amplified by what you find. This can be an extremely confusing process. I guarantee you'll find an article supporting whatever it is you're looking for. Here's a simple and easy way to negate all of that stress and confusion. It's called listening to your body and being your own nutritionist. Which days have you felt better? Which days have you felt like you have more energy? Was it on your high carb day or your low carb day? Your body might deal better with predominantly fats as a fuel or carbohydrates as its fuel. There are some foods that you can eat and within 30 minutes you start to feel bloated and tired. Take notice of which meals you ate and see if the same thing happens when you repeat it. The chances are there's something in your meal that doesn't fully agree with your body. Narrowing it down and finding what it is can help you eat better and know more about what your body likes and what it dislikes. Always remind yourself to get your water in for the day. The importance of water cannot be stressed enough because it is the essential component in contributing to so many operations of the body. My rule of thumb is rather drink too much water than too little. Your body will thank you in 10